Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Google Drive API for Android apps step by step clearly. To start authorizing with the Google Drive API for Android apps, you first need to create a new project in the Google Cloud Console. Visit the Google Cloud Console and sign in with your Google account. Click on the Select a Project drop-down at the top of the screen. Choose New Project and enter a name for your project. After your project is created, navigate to the API and Services tab on the left sidebar. Click on Library to access the Google APIs available. In the library, search for Google Drive API. Select the Google Drive API from the search results and click on Enable. Now that the API is enabled, click on Create Credentials. Choose OAuth Client ID under the Create Credentials drop-down. If prompted, configure the consent screen by filling out the required fields. Select the application type as Android. You will need to provide the package name of your app. Additionally, enter the SHA-1 certificate fingerprint. To obtain the SHA-1 fingerprint, use the KeyTool command in your terminal or command prompt. Once you have entered all the information, click on Create. Your OAuth 2.0 client credentials will be generated. Download the credentials JSON file and save it in your project's app folder. Next, add the Google Play Services dependency in your apps.build.gradle file. Sync your project to ensure the dependencies are included. Now, initialize the Google sign-in options in your main activity. Specify the request scope for Google Drive access in the options. Create a Google sign-in client using the defined options. Implement the sign-in logic in your activity. Handle the result in the onActivityResult method to check for a successful sign-in. Once authenticated, use the Google Drive API client to make requests. You can now read or write files in Google Drive using the authorized session. Test the integration thoroughly to ensure everything is working as expected. Finally, review the permissions in the Google Cloud Console for your project to ensure proper access. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.